Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Landcruiser, and it's a new 2024 Landcruiser. Casting is by Hot Wheels, and it's part of their Hot Wheels premium line of casting. So, rubber tires, better paint, more details. It's a new casting for 2025, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Landcruiser out of its box. One thing I would like to clear, so this Landcruiser is launched in North American market, isn't the full-size Landcruiser you get in markets like Dubai and I think Europe too. So this is basically close to what bburago is. But they launched it here as a Landcruiser, and I think it also shares platform with Lexus GX, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, so it's smaller than the actual Landcruiser, and bigger than obviously the 70 series. Wider maybe. So it's a new casting, and the first thing which will catch your eye is the paint. The two-tone paint looks really good with white and this blue, like awesome combination. Since we're on the side, you can see you've got big off-road tires, obviously because it's a premium, so rubber tires, nicer wheels, and they look nice here. They don't look out of the place. You also got this black cladding going all the way from front to the back. You got side steps, detailed door handles, detailed A, B, C pillar, got rear view mirror here, and also you can see you got roof rails. And then this is like a floating roof, white and blue. And you can see detailed tail lamps from here too, mud flaps. So yeah, good details on the side. Let's go to the front now. So up front you've got detailed headlamp, detailed grille with the classic Toyota logo written over there. So I think they did launch 2 or 3 different looks of this Landcruiser. This is more like classic one. So yeah, you've got the detailed headlamp, as I said. You got the Toyota badge, classic one. You got fog lamps, and again you can see like the bumper it has so many details. If you see the texture here, you try to focus, you can see there are a lot of details here. You also have a skid plate, looks like a skid plate. Also you can see both the mirrors, windshield wipers. So good details up front, looks nice. Now coming to the driver's side, it's almost same as the passenger side. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler cap. So you see the wheel arches are very squared off, so very, when the whole shape is like very squared off, it's not curvy and all that. Looks good, looks more SUV-ish. Yeah, I do like how they have details here. See, blacked out, looks nice. The good details on, like on the top you can see the sunroof, you can see the shark fin antenna, and even the trim here, if you see on the ditch, the molding. Yeah, it's good details. Now coming to the back, as you can see, you've got detailed tail lamp, you've got number plate holder, and then the trim piece of that. Also you've got a Landcruiser badge, so you got badges back there, and then you also got the windshield wiper, and I don't know if it's a step or it's just for maybe a cover for a hitch receiver, not sure about that. You also got a spoiler and a stop lamp there, so overall looks really good. Yeah, and the interior is also done in black. Looks really nice. This is how it looks from the bottom. Again, I've seen this on some recent Hot Wheels. Even this one is missing the Hot Wheels written in this flame. So I don't know if it's... I know they're gonna do that on new ones, or is it a error from the factory? I don't know. But overall, it looks like a nice casting. Looks good, and I think will go really well with other Landcruisers which I have in my collection. I've got a few of them, not a lot. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.